Mate, just open the door, otherwise we're going to have to force entry. This is getting silly now. We've got firearms coming down here, we're going to cut the door in half.
Hello?
Open the door.
Why am I going to open the door for the police?
Because otherwise we're going to force entry. We believe there's a suspect in the address. Can you just open the door so we can confirm on the gate it and we leave? How you doing, mate? Okay? What's your name? What's your name?
That girl smashed up my house. No. I don't even know what. I don't know how the girl lives with that.
Yeah, is she here?
No.
Huh? Hello? Up. Get up.
Can you stand back? Is that alright? Is that okay?
Show me your hand.
Thank you.
Turn round. Turn around.
Anyway, you're under arrest for robbery.
Good.
Criminal damage, affray, and assault police. Just going to caution you, do not have to say anything, but it may harm your friends.
I've got a cuff on you.
Something we're straight around the court, and then you do say maybe giving an evidence. Got it?
I got legs.
What's your name?
Alright.
2-6, 1 female detained. Yeah.
The Welsh unit, ambulance, 11 minutes out door.
Get off!
We got a victim in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's in that bottom flat with her. Go and have a chat with her.
Yeah.
May not need a medic bag, just, yeah.
The pocket inside out for that.
Nothing in the waistband. Well, chill out then.
Happy?